Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Instagram not loading photos issue in 2021. It's pretty much the same solution on an iPhone and an Android device. So if you appreciate this video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and also comment down below if you have any questions around the video. I would love to help you and get back to you at the comment section down below. So if you go on Instagram and the photos are just not loading, right? Your feed or your main photos, they're not loading. There's a few things you can do. So the first thing is, if Instagram is aware of it, you want to make sure you have the latest installment of Instagram, the latest update. So you want to go on the App Store or the Google Play Store, type in Instagram, and you want to make sure there's no update option. If that's fixed, there's two more things you can do. You can go on your settings. You can go over to Instagram somewhere right here, click on it, and you want to make sure mobile data is on, background and app refresh is on, and all the other settings are like the ones that I'm using. This actually helped me out, but if none of that helps you out, you want to go over to general, click on iPhone storage. When it loads up, you want to search for Instagram, or you find it and click offload app, which is pretty much reset the app. If this video helped you out, you know what to do. Give me a like, and I want to see you in the next video.